Hello everyone, welcome to Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is Foxtail Millet Dosa. Foxtail millet is rich in essential nutrients including iron, magnesium, calcium and zinc. It is also a good source of dietary fiber and protein. Foxtail millet is naturally gluten-free, which makes it a suitable grain for people with gluten intolerance. It is also good for digestion and helps control in blood sugar levels. It also prevents constipation and may reduce the risk of heart diseases and may aid in weight loss. If you are new to my channel, subscribe Shalini Foods and hit bell icon for more interesting and healthy recipes. Let's start the recipe. Add 3/4 cup of urad dal, 2 1/4 cup of rice and 3/4 cup of foxtail millet. Here 2 1/4 cup of rice means 2 cups of rice and 1/4 cup of rice again. Add 1.5 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. Foxtail millet is rich in antioxidants which may help reduce the risk of heart disease by protecting the heart from damage caused by free radicals. Wash them twice and soak for 6 to 8 hours. Foxtail millet is low in calories and high in fiber, which can help keep you feeling full and reduce calorie intake, potentially leading to weight loss. Just before grinding, add half cup of poha and clean it. Now drain the water from the rice and add poha. Now grind into smooth batter. Don't forget to soak rice, urad dal, foxtail millet for at least 6 to 8 hours. Add sufficient water and grind into smooth paste. Try the recipe and let me know your feedback in comments. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Batter is prepared now. You can keep aside overnight. In the morning, you can see how the batter raised. I usually store this batter for 3 days in refrigerator and can prepare idli, dosa and so many varieties with this batter. Take little amount of batter into the vessel and add salt as per your taste, 1 pinch of eating soda and water. Mix well. Considering health benefits, I use only iron tawa. Now prepare doshas as shown in the video. Apply oil or ghee as per your taste. You can serve this dosa with peanut chutney, coconut chutney or any other chutney. Peanut chutney and other chutney recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them. More breakfast recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them. More interesting and healthy recipes are on the way. If you didn't subscribe till now, subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon and follow Shalini Foods in Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.